Novdec 2025 Core Mathematics Paper 2, Compulsory Question 5. The mean of the ordered numbers. So the ordered numbers, these are the expressions and the numbers. X, x plus 1, 5, 2x plus 1, y plus 2, 7, 8, and then 3x plus 2. So when you calculate the mean of these numbers, the result is 6.5. Again, when you calculate the median, you get 7. So with this, we have to calculate the values of x and then y. Solution. Let's begin with the first one, that is the mean. Now, if I ask you to find the mean of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, how do you calculate the mean of these numbers? So first of all, we need to sum up these three numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. And then we divide by the numbers given. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this is 6 on 3. So the mean here is 2. So if you want to calculate the mean of these numbers, the first thing we have to do is that we need to sum up the individual numbers. So let's add them up. The first one here is x plus the second one, we have x plus 1 plus the third number, we have 5 plus the fourth 2x plus 1 plus the next one y plus 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3x plus 2. Then once we have summed them up, what is the next thing we do? The next thing is that we need to divide by the numbers given. So let's count the numbers given. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we divide by 8, and this should give us the mean. So the mean is giving us 6.5. Now let's simplify. Now let's begin with the x. X plus x, that is 2x, plus another 2x, giving 4x plus 3x, so that is 7x. Then the next variable y, okay, so we have only one of it, so plus y. Then for the numbers, that is a constant, we have 1 plus 5, that is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. And then 24 plus 2, we have 26. So this divided by 8, and this must be equal to 6.5. Now let's do away with the fraction. So we know that the LCM here is 8. So let me write this. We have 7x plus y plus 26 all on 8 being equal to 6.5. So here is on 1. Yes, so the LCM is 8. That is one way. You can multiply each term by 8, and then the 8 will cancel out. So we have 7x plus y plus 26, and this must be equal to 6.5 times 8. 52. Can still simplify. Grouping like 10, variables on the left, numbers on the right. So we have 7x plus y being equal to 52 minus 26. So we have 7x plus y being equal to 52 minus 26. That is 26. So this will give us our first equation. That is equation 1. Now let's also focus on the median. The median. So again, if I ask you to find the median of these given numbers, the median of 2, 3, 1, how will you calculate for the median? So first of all, we need to rearrange them in order. So in order, you can choose to arrange them either in ascending order or descending order, where ascending order here means from the smallest to the highest number. So I prefer arranging it in ascending order. So ascending order, I have 1, 2, and then 3. So the middle number becomes the median. Next, if I ask you to arrange 2, 1, 3, and then 4, the first thing is that we are looking for the median. So we have to arrange them in order. So in ascending order, we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So what do you notice here? You notice that there are two numbers in the middle. So the median will be the average of these two numbers. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2. And this will give us 5 on 2, which is simplified as 2.5. So let's take note of this. We are going to apply it to solve this particular question. Now, with this, we know that we have 8 given numbers. And we are also fortunate that we were told that the mean of the ordered numbers, so it means that the numbers have already been arranged in order of magnitude. So to calculate the median, we should take note that because we have 8 numbers, 2 numbers will be at the center. So let's identify these 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So the 2 numbers here will be the 2 numbers. We have 2x plus 1, and then y plus 2. These are the two middle numbers. The two middle numbers. So once we know the two middle numbers, we should be able to calculate the median, so that the median will be the sum of the two middle numbers divided by 2. So we have 2x plus 1 plus y plus 2 divided by 2, and this should give us the median, which is 7. So let's simplify the numerator. So we have 2x plus y plus 3, and this must be divided by 2, being equal to 7. So we know that the LCM here is 2. When you multiply each side by 2, let's see, here on 2 being equal to 7. So here is 1. So when you multiply here by 2, you multiply here by 2. These two will cancel out, leaving 2x plus y plus 3 on the left. Then 7 times 2, we have 14. You can still group like terms, that is variables on the left, numbers on the right. So 14 minus 3. So we have 2x plus y is equal to 14 minus 3. We have 11. So this is our second equation. So to solve for x and y, we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. So let's do that. So for equation 1, we have 7x plus y equal to 26. And then for equation 2, we have 2x plus y equal to 11. So I'm going by the elimination method. I think we can easily eliminate y. So to eliminate y, we can say that equation 1 minus equation 2. So let's begin with the x. We have the x for equation 1 minus the x for equation 2 plus, so we have y for equation 1 minus y for equation 2. This must be equal to 26 minus 11. 7x minus 2x, we have 5x, and plus 7 minus 7, these two will cancel out. So we have 26 minus 11, we have 15. So 5x is equal to 15. Because we are looking for x, we divide both sides by 5. So 5 will cancel out, leaving x as 3. So we now know x. To solve for y, we just have to put x is equal to 3 into any of the two equations. So into equation 1. I prefer equation 1. So equation 1, we have 7x plus y is equal to 26. Anywhere we see x, we just have to substitute 3. So plus y is equal to 26. 7 times 3, 21, plus y is equal to 26. So solving for y, we have y is equal to 26 minus 21. So y is equal to 5. So with this, we saw that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5.